Hello super users. Today we're going to learn how to put a fermata over a bar line. Now we can't just put a fermata normally in because fermatas are normally placed as articulations. That means they're attached to either notes or rests. So if you want to put them over a bar line, that means it can't be attached to either of those. We're going to have to figure out a different way to actually input them. So we're going to input them as expressions instead. Now let's say I want to put a fermata over the left bar line here. You'll see why we're doing it over the left and not the right later. So I'm going to enter it as an expression. I'm going to do tempo alterations. Doesn't matter as long as it's a scoreless expression, so that's like tempo marks, tempo alterations, or rehearsal marks. We don't want to do anything that's attached to one particular staff, like expressive text or technique text. But it alters the tempo because this is basically a big pause. So I'm going to put it under tempo alterations, create new alteration. Now, the way we actually want to type this in is using the Maestro Font. So I'm going to unselect using the default categories and go to Maestro. Capital U gets us the Fermata, so that's a Shift U. Font size 12, which will get us to the normal font size. Now, how do we actually put it over the bar line? We're going to go to position. We don't want to use the default positions. We want to put it over the left bar line here. Justification, center, because we don't want like the left side of the fermata to be on the bar line. We want it centered straight over the bar line. Don't worry about vertical alignment because that won't help us here. And lastly, we want to break multi-measure rest because if someone's resting, we actually want them to see, oh, there's a fermata here, not why are we just suddenly pausing? So break multi-measure rests. Command return gets us the fermata. See, right there over the bar line, exactly how we want it. Let's make sure it works in the parts as well. Yes, there it is in the parts, and it's breaking the multi-measure rest. And just to show you that this is actually breaking the multi-measure rest, let's get rid of the multi-measure rest. It's still over the bar line. And now let's create the multi-measure rest again. And you can see there it is. So that's how you put a fermata over a bar line.